Have you ever accidentally sent money to the wrong person on Venmo? Or maybe you sent the wrong amount and now you're panicking. Don't worry, you're not alone, and more importantly, you might be able to get your money back. So, how do you cancel a Venmo payment? Let's break down the two main scenarios. The first and easiest scenario is when the payment is still pending. This happens if you've paid someone who hasn't yet created a Venmo account or hasn't confirmed their email address. If you see the payment is marked as pending in your feed, just tap on it. You should see a big, friendly button that says Take Back Payment. Tap that, confirm, and boom. Your money is instantly returned to your Venmo balance. Easy, right? It's like you never even sent it. Now, for the second scenario, and this is the one that causes the most stress, what if the payment has already gone through and is marked as completed? This means the recipient has received the money. In this case, you can't technically cancel the payment yourself. Venmo doesn't offer a recall button for completed payments, and for a good reason, it's to prevent fraud. Imagine if someone could send you money and then just take it back whenever they felt like it. So, your next best option is to ask the recipient to return the money. To do this, go to the completed payment in your feed. You'll see an option to request a payment from that person. You can add a note explaining the situation, something like, "Hey, I accidentally sent you $20 instead of $10. Could you please send back the extra $10? Most people are honest and will send the money back right away. But what if they don't? What if they ignore your request? Well, Venmo's hands are a bit tied here, but they do have a process for this. If the payment was sent to the wrong person, not just the wrong amount, but a complete stranger, you can contact Venmo's customer support. You'll need to provide details like the transaction ID, the amount, and the username of the person you paid. They can investigate and may be able to reverse the payment. However, keep in mind this is not a guaranteed solution, especially if the funds have already been transferred out of Venmo. Remember, always double-check the username and the amount before you hit send. Venmo even has a pop-up confirmation for a reason. Taking an extra 3 seconds to verify can save you a whole lot of headache later on. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.